Okay, this is the training session for tonight. So the question we're trying to answer today is, how do we escape a defender? Change of direction, change of speed, fakes, and be sneaky. So the coach's role in this is you're basically just going to be their hype men. So you're going to be really, really excited about everything that they do, every escape, and even unique defensive stance. So activity number one, 1v1 to a gate. So the blue team is going to attack first. The red team is going to defend. So the first, you're going to do this without a ball. The blue player is trying to escape through either of these green gates without the red defender tagging them with two hands together at the same time. So two-hand touch. So at the end of every battle, right, the players will return to their lines and the next two will go. This is obviously meant to be played really, really fast. Once we've gotten through a few rounds, then it will just change. Now the reds are trying to escape pressure from the blue to run through either of their gates here. What I would do with this is I would go through a few rounds on both sides so that they know exactly what the game is, then make it a competition. All right, we've got 2 minutes on the clock. Make the team names, so blueberries and cherries, or the big blue monsters against the precious little sweethearts. But 2 minutes, right? The blues have 2 minutes to see how many times they can get through and score on the reds. Then it reverses, right? Now the reds have 2 minutes to try to make an epic comeback to come from behind to beat the blues. The next iteration of this is the same exact game, but now the attacking team is going to try to dribble a ball, and again, they're trying to dribble through the gate to score, or if the defensive players steal it, they can go and get a defensive goal. Play a couple of rounds, make sure everybody knows exactly what's happening, then start to keep score. And again, what you're looking to do there is find any opportunities that a player has escaped their defender and just let them know about it. Encourage it, applaud it, be their hype men. So did they have a unique change of direction? Did they have a great change of speed? Did they do a fake? Were they just really sneaky? Find the thing that they did well and highlight it. Game number 2, attack the box. So one defender goes in. Every player around the outside will have a ball. The idea is to dribble your ball into the box and then escape the box without the defender stealing it. If this attacker comes out this side, that is this player's cue to bring their ball in and try to do the same. You can escape through any of the 3 sides, so whichever side they get out of, that person goes, right? They come out of your side, you get to go. If the defender steals the ball, well, I lost the ball, so I'm the new defender, and they just go and join a line. So it's just a continuous 1v1 dribbling exercise where you are trying to engage the defender by getting into the box, but then you're trying to escape the defender by getting back out. The only side you can't escape is back to the side from which you entered. So you're trying to get in and escape one of the next 3 sides. Activity number 3, you're going to need to have a goalkeeper in place, and this should be the simplest game in the world. You will have a line of players beside the post with the ball, and we're just operating on this one cone at the start. Pass your ball out, go and defend, see if you can escape that pressure, score a goal, trade lines after every single repetition. As soon as the first repetition is gone, as soon as that shot is taken, the next group goes, so it's moving really, really fast. Once you've had quite a few repetitions here, change their angle. Same exact game, that now move them to the opposite corner of the box. So the defender has a little bit further to travel now to go and apply pressure to that ball. Same principle. Once we've had good repetitions there, move this line a little bit further back, but to the middle, same exact game. Play them the ball, go try to close them down, try to get around them, and finish. From there, Move those lines. We've got one cone deep here, so now the players will just line up opposite sides of that cone. The coach will be here in the middle with the ball. These two players will come in shoulder to shoulder, eyes forward so they can't see you. Dump the ball in over their head, and it's just a race, right? Go see if you can hold off that defender, get down there and score a goal. All right, make sure the balls are always coming back to you. And again, it's just repetition after repetition. As soon as that shot is taken, next two should be up there ready to go. Give them the ball, right? Next two go, next two go, next two go. Same exact game, but change the angle. So what they have to do to be successful is slightly different. Players come up, eyes forward. You're just gonna throw a ball in anywhere, and they go and compete and try to score. Same exact thing. Change the angle. The thing to do for all of these, apart from the activities themselves, establish teams, keep score. Attack the box, try to figure out which player has gotten in and out of the box the most time. Down here in this final activity, the 1v1 to goal, make sure the players are keeping track of how many goals that they've scored so the entire training session is a competition.